Facebook currently has 2.5 billion monthly active users. In Nigeria alone, it is estimated that by 2023, Facebook will have about 30.4 million monthly active users in Nigeria. So just imagine 30 million people having their eyes on your business. That is why you should create a Facebook page for your business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your business for complete beginners. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are so welcome. My name is Zoge, and here I share social media strategies that help you scale up your business and grow your online business, especially for female entrepreneurs. So you're so welcome to my channel, but do well to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell beside it so that you'd always get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a like, and do share this video. Now let's go ahead and start creating our Facebook page for your business. So the first thing you need to do is that you definitely need to have a Facebook profile before you can be able to create a page. You can't create a page if you don't have a Facebook profile yet. So we are in my Facebook profile now. We are going to use it as an example, and then you go to this place, this bar up here, where you see your home and create. Then let's click create. To bring you options, page, add, group, and of course we want to create a Facebook page. So click it, and then the options have come up for us. It's either you want to open a brand or a business, and then a community or public figure, but we are definitely interested in creating a page for a business. So we'll click let's get started. Then options will pop up, page name, category. Then for the page name, you have to choose a name. You already have to be aware of the name. So let us say Kimara Foods. Let's say it's a restaurant. So what category? It's a restaurant. Okay, restaurant. Let's see. But at times, yeah, there are times your category may not be here, but you can pick the category that is very close to what your business is all about, and you still have more options of picking more category. We are going to see that later on. So you are going to put an address, let's say Nyanya, then the city Abuja. Yeah, that's been brought up an option, Abuja, Nigeria. Zip code, you can forget about that. Then phone number is optional, but if you have a business, for me, I feel you should have a phone number so that people can be able to reach you very quickly. So let's just use that as a phone number. Then there's an icon here, don't show my address. If you don't want people to see your address, only show that the business is in the city, then you click it. But if not, you can just leave. But for me, restaurant business, yeah, we can have an online presence and as well a brick and mortar store, so the address should be shown. Then let's continue. Hit the continue button. Okay, it has come up to another page where they say upload a profile picture. Now this is more like your logo, your business logo, and it's usually at the left hand side of your page. We are going to see that after building this. So it's not like a picture, but a business logo. So you can go to Canva to create a business logo. It's actually free, and I'm going to show you guys how to use Canva in a subsequent video. If you want to know how to use the Canva or learn about it, just let me know in the comment section. So let's click upload a profile picture. Then I have a logo here. Let me see. Okay, now this is the logo. Okay, so now it said upload a cover photo. Now cover photo is what your customers, your potential customers will see on your page, and they'll be like, okay, they instantly know what your page is talking about. So we are going to look for a cover photo here, and I'll just use a food because, okay, let's use this. Let's use this one. Our page has been created. Yeah. So we can see it right here. This is the logo that I told you about, and you can always update it here. And this is the cover photo I told you about, and you can update it there. You need to always choose a cover photo that is close to what your that is just that depicts what your business is all about. Is like a restaurant. That's why I used a food cover photo. So you can choose something, because cover photo is very important. It really tells people what, the first thing they see when they come to your doorstep, kind of. So that's just it. And then we'll go ahead and add a button. That's the next thing we are going to do after the page is created. The step one is, which button do you want people to see, book with you, contact you, learn more about your business, shop with you, download your app. So what do you actually want for a restaurant business? So I think it would be more like contact you. Yeah, contact us. You want them to contact you. Let's click next. Then the step two, where would you like this button to send people? Like your website. So let us say www.womanlycare.com.ng. This is just an example. Let's see. Okay, and then we hit the finish button. Yeah, we are done. And so we'll come back to contact us, and always make sure you test your buttons to be sure that it is actually sending people where you want it to send people to. So let's come back to our page, and we are going to go straight to, this is how our page looks like for now. It's still loading here. So we'll go straight to settings. Let's hit the settings button and do some things from there as well. So this is like the general thing. It's more like page visibility, visitors, posts, reviews, and all that. Tagging ability, are people able to tag your page, and others tagging this page, you tagging others. This is just what this place is all about. You can edit it to what you want, so what your business wants and all that. You can merge pages here. If you have other page that you want to merge with this one, you can merge it. You can also completely delete your page from here. So let's see the next one, messaging. Okay, right here, this is starting a messenger conversation. And this, it's, if somebody leaves a message, at times some people will take like 2 or 3 days before they respond. People don't really like that. So it is very, very good to put on this notification, and some will say, hey, greet people before they send your page a message. Maybe someone comes to your page, just greet, sort of. You just put on the notification here, and that's it. Hi Ogechiku, thanks for getting in touch with us on Messenger. So this is just how it's going to look like. And your messenger link too can have a URL. So this is it, me.me, then the number, and that's your unique messenger code. So this is where you do it, and then we'll come to templates and tabs. I'm not going to finish all this because it's really going to take a long time. The video will be more. So let's say template. You have different templates that you can use for different things. So currently this template is on restaurants and cafe. That's the current template I'm having, so it's cool. But let's see if we edit to bring out more options for templates. So if your business is, yeah, we can see the current one is restaurant and template, which my business is. If it's for other forms of business, venues, non-profit organization, for NGOs and politicians, so they just have different templates that you can use to customize your own business page. So let's go to page info. So this is where, it's already telling us now that we should complete your about section so people can find your page more easily. So this page is where you just give a short description about your business. What is it about? If I'm going to go there in few words, just tell me what I need to know, everything I need to know about your business. And it's very, very important. It helps people to find your page easily on Facebook. So category restaurant, just like I told you, you can add more category. Okay, food and beverage, fast food restaurants. Yes, we can add, just here you can add much more, anything that is close to your present business, like maybe about 3 categories, and then you save changes. We go further, your contact phone number, you can even add more phone numbers if you want to. And then this is your website, you have to put it in again. Remember, www.womanlycare.com.ng, and then you save changes. You can also put in your email address. All these are very important so that people can be able to reach you whenever they want to. And then your service area, what neighborhoods are around you that you can also want to put in. The hours you are opened, you select it. Is it every day? Is it always open? I think I prefer always open if I have an online business. But if it's a brick and mortar store, you definitely need to select open in selected hours and the rest of them. And then there's a place where you also put the price range, could be unspecified, so that when they come they know that okay, they get to know the price, or you could specify it if you want to. So this is where, if you have a privacy policy, you put it down there. So these are basically what we need to do for beginners who want to create a Facebook page for their business. So this is basically it. There are just a whole lot here that if I start talking about it will take a lot of time, like this page roles. This one is how you can add an admin to your Facebook page and remove an admin as well. I'm going to make a video on that, so just stick around with my channel, and whenever the video is up, you're going to get notified if you click the subscribe button and ring the bell beside it, so that you would always get notified whenever I post a new video as well. So let us go back to our page. These are the categories: page, inbox, notifications, insights. Insights is very important because you actually use it to understand your customer pattern and understand your page better. I'll talk more on that in some other videos. Publishing tools that can help you work, and you have more. So you can just play around with all this and see what works for you. Let's go back to our page. So this is our page, and you can quickly start making it very engaging, more engaging. By this side, you invite your friends, invite as much friends as you want to. This is the contact us button that we did earlier, and you can change your cover photo anytime. You can update your logo whenever you want to. So you can do a whole lot, engage your audience, post all the time. Now this is our page, and let's see how it is. Okay, very good. You can make your page more engaging by putting more content regularly. So that's all we have for creating a Facebook page. Now you've created a Facebook page for your business, it's time to keep that page engaged, and it's only an admin that can actually keep your page engaged. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove an admin. Just stick around, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.